Here is the Yelp shop data, complete with the average rating, the review count, the categories, images, the operating hours, the review highlights, and the features that you will be able to get after watching this video. If you've ever tried scraping Yelp, you know what looks really simple on paper is a whole different story when it comes to production. Scraping Yelp seems simple, right? Just go to the website, scrap whatever data you need, and you're done, isn't it? But if you try to do it at scale, you're gonna run into various challenges that you have never thought about. So you're gonna face captchas, you're gonna face blocks, you're not gonna face page timeouts, and you will have to write complex selectors to scrap that code, okay? Now, to solve all of this issue, you can start using Playwright and Puppeteer. You can use residential proxies to get all of that data. But this is very complex and just Scraper can break next month even. So let me show you a really easy way to get Yelp data in 5 minutes only, fully detailed, and you don't have to write any complex selector code that could break next month. So let's roll. Now we want to get detailed search data from Yelp, like the name, reviews, and such kind of details. To get this data, we need to use Python. And to make our life simple, so we don't have to write any complex selector code, we are going to take help of an API called the Yelp Scraper API by Omar Cloud. So Omar has been rated excellent on Trustpilot. Now to get this data, we are going to be using this endpoint. So we are going to simply go there and just enter the computer console portal thing, and we have entered the parameters. Let's just clear this thing up, and all I have to do is to set send. We have got data for the computer console bottle. It's the same data that's in here. So you can see it has got 4.8 rating, 159 reviews, and we also have their contact details. So this is thing, this number and this number of course matches, and we have their website and their address, everything that's in there, that's in here. And also we have photos that are related to shop. So we have all of the things that we are interested in. So this is quite detailed data we have got. Now, if you want to save your time and don't write any complex selector code to get such kind of data, which could really break the next month even, you can use this API. It gives you 25 requests free every month, so you can easily test it out and see if it's the right fit for you. And it's a great API. It's developed by Omar, rated excellent on Trustpilot. Now, if you have any questions, you can let me know, and you can find the link to it in the description of this video and also the pinned comment. Thank you and have a great day.